How to fix Messenger cannot access that chat problem. If you're facing the issue of Messenger cannot access that chat, then the first thing you want to do is close the Messenger app completely. Now you want to launch open Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar. Here you want to search Messenger. From the results, select this. Now if you find the update option, select that and update the app to the latest version. This will fix any bugs in the app. If you find the open option instead of update, it means that your application is already updated. Now launch open Messenger and check if your issue is fixed. If it's not, launch open your settings on your device, then select apps. A list of all the apps will be shown over here. Scroll down and you want to find Messenger. Now select storage. Now tap on clear cache, then head back. Now select force stop, tap on OK. Once you do that, launch open Messenger. Now this error will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.